morning! How's everybody doing? It is Monday morning, and we're gonna try some vacation time. It is everybody's still sleeping but me day. So we're gonna check Joann's and make sure they didn't throw anything away. If there's anybody out here, I don't want to do it if the doors are open. And the doors have a tendency to be open on this thing recently, so I don't want to get too crazy and but I don't see any doors open right now, so we're going to get our lights going. Dumpsters are crazy. Digging that up for something. They're digging there. So weird. Let's check this one. I can see a little bit of something in there. Most of it's at the bottom, whatever it is. Is there anything in there, or if it's just junk? It's hard to tell. A bunch of those face masks. I don't really need any of those. What's back there? I'm going to open this up, because I think there's something in the back. I think there's something back here. So let's see what we can find in here. We got back. Oh, we got some stuff back in there. Don't know what it is, but we got a wreath. See, they threw everything back here. Everything back here so we wouldn't see it. Well, I still see the garbage trucks. They're still driving around. Honestly, I didn't think the garbage trucks would be here. Alright, let's take all this. I didn't think the garbage trucks would be here. I thought because it was a holiday weekend, there wouldn't be any garbage trucks today. But apparently I'm wrong. So, we still have garbage trucks. Alright, well, take all this red, white, and blue stuff. What do you think? Alright, well. Alright. Let's check home goods. You guys ready for the noisy dumpster? So noisy. See, they like to put everything on the bottom. on the bottom. Alright, what's underneath this bag? What do we got here? Oven mitts. Let's go get our grabber. There's no point in climbing in there if we don't have to, right? Okay, well, let's see. We've got these oven mitts, and they're not ruined, are they? Nope. There's a set there. There's a pair there. Those look nice. That's broken. What's this? Fall coffee. We'll take fall coffee. Got little umbrellas here. They look like they're broke. They're missing something, I think. What else we got? Anything else down there? Don't see anything. Okay, I don't see anything else. These are Nautica. La-ti-da, huh? How about this side? Anything this side? There's a box. No, empty box. Nope, nothing on this side. Okay, well, we'll take this. Fall coffee. Pumpkin spice coffee. We'll take it. I love the fact that I'm hearing the word fall. That's perfectly awesome. Emptying that one. Not really the one we check. Sure, Five Below is empty too. But we'll check it anyway. No, they're not. There's stuff in there. Let's get the grabber. See if there's anything in here today. Oh, that looks heavy. That feels heavy too. We got a bunch of candy. I'm hoping it's not melted chocolate. Alright, let's open this lid. Open this lid and get in there, see what we got. Definitely have some stuff back here, look. Look at that chocolate, melted completely. But we do have a bag of goods. Look at this. Let's take this bag. We're going to have to get our own bag because that's a mess. Whatever that is. we'll get our own bag. Anything else in here? Yep, that. Nothing in there, nothing in there. Although this feels pretty heavy right here. Candy bars. Just melted though. We can't do candy bars this time of year, guys. I think we've got a bunch of candy, but unfortunately, it's just a puddle of melted nothing. Peanut M&Ms don't melt. You guys know that. No melting of peanut M&Ms. Just a truck. M&Ms melt in your mouth, not in your hands. Remember that. So these M&Ms are still good. They still have a candy hard shell. We'll take the M&Ms. We'll take the M&Ms. But everything else is a waste. We got those. Nothing in there. Just another bag of, yep. Another mystery box bag here. We got two so far, guys. I think what we're going to do is we're going to take the M&Ms and put them in the bag. I should have just grabbed a bag because I do have plenty of bags. Alright, so second mystery bag. I think this is the same thing. This is full of candy as well. These ones will be okay. All this candy. Another mystery bag. I don't know what of that mystery bag that they ruined. I think they always ruin stuff anymore. Everywhere does. Unfortunately, we gotta take all the candy bars out. They're all just melted goo. They're no good. And that sucks, but that's the way it's going to be this time of year. Alright. But all those M&Ms are solid. So we'll take the M&Ms. I wish I could take Twix bars, but they're just, They're just goo, guys. Like goo. Alright. Well, we got candy and mystery bags. And I'm just going to pull the truck right over here. Look at all that good stuff. Alright, let's go pull the truck over, load up our bags, and get out of here. Yes, okay, here we go. Load them up. Mystery bag central. 1. This one's got a little bit of melted chocolate on it, but it'll be just fine, trust me. And this one. Hopefully they didn't cut too much stuff up. Hopefully they're getting to the point now to where they're somewhat busy and they're not cutting things up. Oh, that's a load, guys. Did we clean up everything? Yeah. And paper towel. Alright. Alright, Lamps Plus. What you got today? What you got, Lamps Plus? Dumpster. Alright, let's check it. What's in here? Sorts of stuff, as usual. Alright. Let's get in there and see what they threw away. There's a nice lamp. Is that broken? And where's the other part of that? Check that out. So it comes with these. Let's see, we got here and here. There's the other section. And here. 2 more. Here and here. Look at that. There she is. That looks like an expensive piece. All these fan blades. You don't need these fan blades. What else we got in here? Looks like a mirror base. That was a nice mirror too. That was a lamp. This is another one of these lamps. I already have one of these. That's a nice lamp. It just needs a little bit of love on where the wood got dented. A little bit of love there. Another lamp in here. Clock or something, huh? Alright, let's get out and get these lamps in and then come back and see what's in these boxes, because they're obviously have stuff in them. Got this lamp. And this lamp is super cool. Brand new. Okay. Now, let's get out of the way here. frame. Another lamp base. We don't need that. It's a shame that mirror frame is nice. Look at that though. That frame would look really cool with a clock in it. Or something else in it. Let's get in here. Here. A lamp piece. Another one? Yeah. We'll definitely take those. Well, kind of like this. So. Watch this. That noise. Take this lamp glass out of here. Tell me we can't use this round frame for something else. Absolutely can. Alright, so take these two covers. These are cool architectural light covers. And we'll take this. That's cool. Barnwood frame. Absolutely can do something with that. If you can't find a mirror, find a picture or a clock or something. Super cool. Alright. As usual, good stuff from Lamps Plus. Alright. I'll beat that with a dead horse. What's up, guys? We are at our next spot. I was hoping that was a big skip dumpster from Walmart, but it's not. It's a mobile mini, and they're getting ready to start putting holiday things in, I think. So, do our thing and go around here, and Michael's has got the door open again. They're killing me with their door open. Just can't cut a break from Michael's having their door open over here at 4 o'clock in the morning. Alright, what we got in here? Anything? An empty package. Looks like that's it though. I don't see anything other than that, so. Well, I was hoping to get some stuff out of Michael's today. Especially with the holidays coming around. You know, they're going to be getting rid of all their seasonal stuff. Kind of a bummer that they're out and about already. What's in here? What's in your dumpster, Staples? Empty. Empty, 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 empty. What is that? Who knows? Dumpster does smell like coffee though. mixed in with bags of coffee, I'm imagining. Yep. Look, they dumped all the candy out of the bags. What are you getting out of this? Alright, let's see what we got here, because I think these are all coffee pods. Oh my god. This garbage bag is nothing but coffee pods. We gotta get it out, because Mama needs coffee pods. Look at all this coffee. They just rip it open. Look, there's nothing wrong with these. Coffee. Alright. Let's move the stuff aside. Because I ain't scared of that. Look at all this stuff. What we got in here? Coffee that they've ripped open. Yep, look at that. Okay. But look at all these coffee pods. Look, and they're fine. There's nothing wrong with them coffee pods. Look at all of them. You've got to be kidding me. These are all coffee pods. I won't need coffee forever. This too, dark roast. Look at all these. I don't care if they're not in the boxes. You know what? This one's ripped open. I better put this in a cab. I didn't clean out the car from yesterday. What else they got in here? And needless to say that we won't be needing coffee for another one. Oh my god. Okay guys, so we have coffee. Obviously we have more coffee than we need. So it looks to me like we're going to be doing coffee pod boxes. Because this is ridiculous. I don't care that they're not in the original boxes. There's nothing wrong with the coffee pods. Holy cow, where's the original boxes at? It's like they threw the coffee away. Where's the boxes that the coffee came in? I could have put them back. Here they are, look, 8 o'clock. You know what, I don't care. We have enough coffee to last us forever. Shut that up. That's ridiculous. So take a quick look back here, guys. Coffee, 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 coffee. I mean, there's nothing wrong with them. They're coffee pods. They're not punctured. They're sealed. We have coffee now. Spread them out to the family, and then we'll make big boxes of them for sale. All right. Walmart's got a new dumpster. I wonder if there's anything in it. Check his dumpster. Clothing rack and half a bike. Bunch of wheels though. And the front's open. It's open. Look at all those caster wheels. These come in handy for something for sure. These are so expensive to buy. If you were to go buy these, they would cost you a fortune. Of course, I'm making noise. We're going to throw these in the back of the truck and we're going to go get the other two. These even have locks on them. Talk about cool. Alright, there's two more left in there. We'll make sure we get those two for sure. We'll go over here on this side. Alright, this one and this one. Alright, we'll take these last two wheels. Cool. Definitely come in handy. Alright. Especially if you want to make some industrial looking furniture and you want wheels on them. You got to have them. Thank you, Walmart. See you next time. Oh, they're open. We're still going to take a peek. I don't care. See what's... Look at all this stuff. Candy. He's out here looking. Hopefully he doesn't tell me to leave. Most of the stuff is all melted. I'll try a couple boxes of these. See if they're any good. Probably melted though. These look good. And they're all melted. Those are all melted. These look like they might be alright. looks like he doesn't keep hearing him, or there's mints over there. Toblerone. Skeleton thing right there. These are great if they're not melted. Oh, chocolate is just bad. If that would have been a couple months from now, I'd probably have a whole truck of chocolate. But I already have a ton of chocolate at home. A ton. That I need to sell, but I can't have yard sales yet. And I can't put it on Macari because Macari doesn't let you sell food. So, we do what we can. I took 2 or 3 boxes of what looked to be sealed up. Maybe they weren't melted. I don't know. But there's a ton of chocolate, and chocolate just does not hold up. Now, I'm hoping these are good. If they're not, they're going to go in the freezer because Toblerone are, I love them. Alrighty guys, good morning. Just sitting here having this nice cup and coffee in my cup from the coffee pods that we got this morning, which I haven't even have a clue what the count is on those. Hundreds and hundreds of them. Good coffee, and it tastes even better when it's free. So, let's check out this morning's haul, because it was quite the haul, wasn't it? Look at all that good stuff. I mean, where do we start? We got this cool light fixture from Lamps Plus, and somehow I thought I grabbed all of these, but I'm missing one. So either it's sitting in one of these bags somewhere, or it blew out of the truck. Which would suck, but it's still a cool lamp fixture, right? We also got this cool lamp, which I can't tell if this is wood or not, but it just needs rewired because they cut the plug off right there, so a little bit of paint on there maybe or something. And we got these cool things out of there as well. These are just like lamp sconces, I guess. You can put on a lamp or whatever. I just thought they were really architecturally industrial looking, and they would look good in a lantern with a candle or wherever, so I took them anyway, of course. And then we got this awesome mirror, but the mirror's broke. But I took the frame anyway because I don't care who you are, that's barnwood slats. We can get a new mirror cut for that. I wonder what the price was on this thing. I'm willing to bet you the price was super expensive. Never got put out for sale. Anyway, I think we can get a mirror cut for that maybe. Maybe. If not, we'll keep it for something. Then we got this set of wheels from Walmart's dumpster. These are awesome wheels. They roll really good. They're brand new. They've never been put on anything. And they have a lock. I mean, they're perfect. We got Pier 1. We got this blanket. They sliced the pillow but didn't slice the blanket, which is silly, but the blanket's nice. We'll take the blanket. We got this little decor out of Home Goods. It's kind of a cute little thing, alright? And we got these from Home Goods. 2 sets of Nautica oven mitts. Those are cool. And then, what did we get out of Joann's? We got this etch quill. Etch pen all-in-one. It's an etching pen of some kind. It was 25 bucks, whatever it was. And then we got a bunch of these little crafting balls, eggs. This little guy. A little set of Stars and Stripes light sets. We got some Stars and Stripes bells. This cute little holiday wreath. Another set of those. Some stickers. Amerisaurus Rex. You know, this is all for more Labor Day weekend. That today they didn't sell, so they just threw them all away. And then, then we found the coffee. I know they took them all out of the boxes thinking no one would take them, but oh my God, guys, look how many's here. There's probably at least 200 or 300 in this bag alone. House blend, coffee here. We've got this one here. We've got dark roast here, light roast, breakfast morning roast. There's a ton of different kinds of coffees. So, we're definitely not going to have to worry about coffee for a while, and there's going to be lots of coffee, boxes of coffee going up for sale, so get ready. I'm just going to load a huge cardboard box with coffee and sell it. I can't keep all this, but I know you guys are into coffee like I am, so we'll make some coffee boxes up for sale. What else we get? Michael's dumpster. The employee didn't really seem to care. Oh, don't forget this. It came from Home Goods too. Pumpkin spice, baby. I didn't take a lot of the chocolate from Michael's because I already have a ton of chocolate, and if it's mostly melted. So I took these that are sealed in the boxes because they're still cold, and they're probably not melted yet. It looks like they just threw them away this morning. So these are still good. We got Gardelli, little candy cock. There's 50 in each box. And then we got the white fudge covered pretzel and the Reese's dip pretzels, which are awesome. And then of course M&Ms from Five Below. I took all the M&Ms because they don't melt. As you can see, I mean, they'll start to get crunchy. That one's kind of crunchy, but they're pretty good. We'll take them in the house, they'll be perfectly fine. And then we got these mystery bags from Five Below, baby. This one's got chocolate on it, so we got to be real careful how we do this. We got a shirt, it's already got chocolate on it. What's it say? I know, I'm awesome. Let's not make a big deal about it. I like that shirt, and that shirt is going to get cleaned up. And I'm keeping that shirt. We've got True wireless earbuds. They sound like they're in there. Oh look, we've got this little guy here. This little squishy guy. Cute squishy marshmallow guy. What's up, jet ski? And then we've got tons of these. Always got plenty of cables when it comes to Five Below. I think this one goes inside this box here. So we'll see if we can put this back in the box, because if it's in the box, it's better for everybody, including me, selling wise. And I don't know what's going on with this chocolate. Melted chocolate. I'll wipe it off here. Alright, back in the box. Alright, awesome. Oh, he's spooky. Not really. But anyway, Halloween guy. There's a bag. Don't really need that. This looks like it's a silicone sleeve for a glass so your hand doesn't get cold. Weird. And we got Crazy Bull, the game. It's like Buckaroo. You guys remember Buckaroo. All you guys that are my age remember Buckaroo. This is just like Buckaroo, except it's not Buckaroo. It's called something else. So this bag didn't really have much in it. I grabbed it anyway. And the rest of this is garbage-a-roni. Okay. That's trash. Now we've got these boxes. These have stuff in them. So we got a hardback case that looks like a geode. That's super cool. And let's see what we got in here. I know I kept all these M&Ms. We can put all these M&Ms in this bag. Because who doesn't like M&Ms? Caramel M&Ms too. So we'll put all these in this bag here. Safe and sound. Because M&Ms don't melt like other chocolate do, because they have a hard candy shell on them. So that's why I kept the M&Ms. So M&Ms go over here with the other M&Ms. And then what else we got here? We got Waving Guy inflatable. We got Blaze Elite helicopter. I think I have like 4 of those in the garage. Bluetooth headset. Another Bluetooth headset. This is a selfie shutter ring. I don't know what that means. Oh, it's a stand, and you can press the camera button and it'll make your camera go off, I guess. Interesting. Bop It Maker. Make your own moves. Okay. I don't know what that is. There's another one. I think I have like 6 of those now. Glow in the dark headphones for glow in the dark people. Right, there's headphones. There's an Apple Watch band. Here's a coffee cup. Oh, it's broken. It says, and that's the tea. Well, it was till it was broken. And here's a squishy pineapple. That must go on your, like, pencil erasers or something. I hate those things because give them 10 minutes and they're covered in dirt and they look gross. Okay, we got this little guy and it looks like it's a remote control rabbit. He must hop. That looks like Liberty's name all over it. Activity tracker watch. That's like your fake version of a, what you call it? Fitbit. More headphones. More charging cords. Power bank. Thin Ultra power bank. Cool. What do we got here? Audio cable. Anything in there? Hello? See anything? Oh, look, here's where all the little jelly babies things came out of. What do they call them? Jelly critters. Okay, that's close. Pair of glasses. Booking. We got here another set of Spider-Man headphones. And Marvel support sleeve. I don't know what that is. Is it supposed to be like a fake tattoo? Marvel? I don't know. We'll check it out. We'll check it out. Here's some more headphones. Of course, they go right here. I'm very happy that they did not trash these because normally Five Below, that store particularly, has been cutting and ripping up everything. So they did not do anything to these, which is awesome. I like that. What we got here? This is a heavy-duty phone holder for your car, and this obviously is no good. There's a dice. Roll the dice to see what you are. Perfume, but I'm kind of thinking it's probably broken and melted in the box because the box is all squishy, which is a shame. Oh, it smells good on my fingers though. Paris Lights. Yeah, it kind of broke. Oh, that smells like my wife. That would have been perfect for her. Okay. So, we have a Hamburger pool float. Yeah, it's in there. We have a pair of sunglasses. And we have another pair of blue blocking eyewear. That doesn't make any sense. So they're just like glasses with... And here is phone cover, little glass put on the phone to keep it from breaking. Here's another camera thingy. Here's another phone cover. Here's another glass, tempered glass, more slushies. There's even an elephant here. We're not... What else we got? We got, oh, true earless buds. They're not Apple iPhone ones, but they're... Here's a set of little tiny markers. and a Bluetooth car speaker, and more squishies, and a sign that says expired and damages. So, oh, what's this? This is oil, essential oil, and then this is a plug-in cable for something. It's probably for something here, so we better hold on to it. And there's another squishy. What? Squishy's coming out of my wrapper brown. Is that all that's in this bag? Yes! That is it. Now we have one more bag to go through, guys. Craziness. What a great day. And we have another. This is Disney Emoji headphones. And we have a USB powered fan. And we have another Bluetooth speaker. And we have this, which is a, oh, this is a tissue foam roller. Oh my god, these are great. If you guys haven't used foam rollers before, they're awesome for rolling out any pains. We got here, it is a protective case for your Apple Watch. And here is a LED light strip. And this looks like a Minecraft creeper. There he is. There's the creeper. He looks like a wiener, but he's the creeper. And we got more glass for your phone. And look, another wireless speaker. What's that? A piece of wood. Here is a 8-pin charger. Oh, you can put 2 iPhones together, I guess. Listen to, I don't know. There's a nice case. And this is a floats on water. It is a color changing bath light. That'd be cool in a pool. And here is a, looks like a mouse. We'll leave it over here because I'm not sure what it is. Here's a pair of shoes. White shoes. Those are good. What else we got going on in here? We got all kinds of stuff. Sugar poster. We don't need that either. Here's a set of colored pencils. Oh, there's what goes with the creeper. TNT. There's the TNT that goes with Mr. Creeper guy. This probably goes on top of here. There he is. That's a mouse for sure, and that is another mouse. Oh look, here's Mario and the Star! And this looks like a, oh look, it's a art set. Got your paper, your pencil sharpener, all your different leads, pencils. That's awesome. There's a little shelf, look. And a foam roller. And another wireless speaker. And another one of these. What we got here? A necklace. A necklace that's all wrapped up in this charging cord. We'll leave it all together for now. I'll unwrap that in a minute. We have a dump truck. And another mouse. They gotta be mice. Right? There's a little thing you plug in the computer. That's exactly what they are.
Scrolly thing?
It's a mouse. Like a miniature one. It has a little chip right here that you plug into your computer so it connects.
But you know how they have the little scrolly thing on top?
Oh, how it doesn't have that, I guess. This even comes with the batteries, look. Batteries are here. Oh, here's the back. So, when we put it all together, we have Minecraft. What else we got here? Oh, look, it's another set of Spider-Man headphones. And USB cable, empty box. Here is facial wash, Neutrogena. 2 things of it. The tops broke off, but there's still face wash in there. What's this one? Earbud case cover. Oh, Mom's gonna love that. Look.
Yeah. She's been
That's.
getting a new one.
This is like right up her alley. What else we got? This is a portable car humidifier. Okay. I don't know why you'd need a humidifier in your car, but hey, I'm not going to argue. Another Bluetooth speaker. I have so many Bluetooth speakers. It's because here's the container for that. What else we got stuck in the back here? Oh, another Bluetooth speaker. And, oh, here's for the mouse, for this one. Oh, lights up. Gaming mouse. And nothing. That goes to the art set. Keep that with the art set. There's a bag, there's a bag, there's a foam roller. And that is that. Wow. I would say that that is, my friends, quite the haul today. Wouldn't you say? The coffee alone's nuts. That coffee alone is crazy. And look at that mirror thing. Isn't that awesome? Put a mirror in that. Wouldn't it look cool on the wall? Yeah. Okay. I'm glad you guys hung out with me this morning. Hope you had some fun. It was really interesting that we were digging in Michael's and the employee was just there looking at us. He didn't care one bit, did he? So we're going to do this all over again. And we're just going to keep doing it until we find great stuff. This is what we do. So I appreciate you guys coming. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to check out Liberty's channel, Sweet Land of Liberty, and Jetski's got a channel too. What is your channel?
I don't remember.
No, he doesn't remember casually. And then don't forget to hit that little bell, guys, because if you hit the bell, it'll notify you when there's a video, and a live video. So you guys need that. And then what else? What else? What else? Nothing. You guys are awesome. I love you guys. We're almost at 8,000 viewers. Can't believe it. So you guys keep doing what you're doing. I'll keep doing what I'm doing, which is bringing you great videos of digging in the trash. And we'll see you on the next video. Keep watching Macari and Poshmark. As you can tell, there'll be a bunch of stuff up for sale, especially coffee. I'm going to put boxes together and put them on the community page because I can't put them on Macari. So if you guys are interested in coffee, email me. Talk to you guys later. Ciao.